Now we'll cover the study strategy for non-IT students. First is to master Agile in any context. You need to learn how Agile applies to your specific industries, and how to use hybrid project management is also very relevant. Second is to use non-IT project examples. Obviously, you will have to use non-IT project examples in order to get a more in-depth and better understanding of the scenarios given. Then there is the 20 full mock exams. You have inSAKE provides 20 full mock exams with 2000 plus questions updated to the 2026 July format, including AI and sustainability, which we already discussed before. We have to make sure to practice all of these and understand all of these in depth. And then there is the weekly one-to-one mentor sessions that we have at inSAKE, and to never study alone, and to always make sure that you have your mentors updated on your study journey. Now we'll talk about why most PMP aspirants fail. Since there is a global fail rate of 40%, most non-IT professionals are at the main risk of having outdated preparation, and inSAKE makes sure to eliminate all of these issues. So basically, memorizing theory instead of not thinking situationally, skipping agile and hybrid, even though it covers almost 41% of the domain, having no mock exam practice, even no, and therefore being a bit inexperienced in the exam giving process, also studying alone without any accountability or without being guided or without any mentorship, as well as spending a lot of money. Uh, Such as 80,000, 1,20,000 for training. All of these causes people to fail. How inSAKE fixes this is by making sure that all the content are updated to the new July 2026 format, as well as PMBOK 8. Also, we have a proprietary zero study technique in which we stress more on memorization. We stress less on memorization and more on situational thinking and understanding. We have a full agile module mapped to non-IT contexts. We also have 20 full mock exams with 20,000 plus questions and analytics. After practicing this, surely that will be more than enough. And then we have a weekly one-to-one mentors accountability session so that you do not fall behind. And obviously, the spending can also be zero risk and zero upfront cost, as in INSEC, you only pay after you have already passed the exam. Why inSAKE Academy is different. First is obviously, as we have already discussed, the pay after passing model. It is India's first and only pay after passing model, and you pay zero until there is 0 rupees until there is a certificate which you have been wanting in your hand. There is also a 100% success rate guarantee. That is, if you fail, then inSAKE will pay for your next exam fee. And also inSAKE uses all the updated materials for the July 2026 exam. Also, it is non-IT focused mentorship. The mentorship will focus on whatever industry you are the most comfortable with, or the industry in which you are comfortable with. So you do not have to worry about not having an IT background. Once again, we discussed the zero study technique, which inSAKE uses, that focuses more on situational understanding and less on rote memorization. Also, this is the lowest risk and highest return training program you can go for, as there is zero upfront cost. You can pay after passing, and there is almost 100% success guarantee as compared to the 80,000 to 1,20,000 uh, cost you get at other institutes. Basically, this is elaborating on the pay after passing PMP program. How in other institutes you have to pay about 80,000 to 1,20,000 upfront, and there is no refund even if you fail. And the coaching is done batch wise, and it is not tailored to your own pace, your own industry background, your own experience. And also, it is generic and mostly IT focused, and it is non-domain specific. In inSAKE, you pay zero upfront cost. You only pay after you've already passed the certificate. And if you fail, then the next exam fee is paid by inSAKE itself, and you do not have to waste your own money. Mentorship is also one-to-one personalized. It is not batch based or class based. So you can go at your own pace and have a tailored mentorship according to your own interests. And also it is non-IT domain examples built in, so you do not have to worry about not having an IT background to do a PMP. And we also have 100% first attempt success strategy, which we have already discussed before. The one-to-one